All right, WMC, here is the video to find the winner of my Corey Knable season seat holder bobble. We will check the time is May 20th at 10:17 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have May 20th at 10:17 p.m. Here's the list of our 16 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. All right, 11 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. And it is Alan. Spot 5 is your winner. So, Alan, please get with me to collect your Knable. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 20th at 10:18 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.